Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Chrome browser tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you on how to simply open any PDF file with Chrome browser if you do not have PDF reader on your PC or on your Mac. So what do you need to do right here is to go ahead and navigate to the PDF. So this particular PDF right here, so I'm going to click on it. So what you want to do right here is to right click. When you right click, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on open with. And you have options to open your PDF file with Chrome. Go ahead and click on Google Chrome. And in a few seconds, it's going to redirect and load up the PDF. Then you have everything right here on your Chrome open up like so. So you can go ahead and read your PDF just like what you see right here. You can go ahead and download and print. You can as well click on these three dots right here. Page view, donation, preset, and document properties. You can click on document property. This will give you detail about the PDF as you can see. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.